Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Jamaica, and link and coupon will be in the description. And open description and click on this link eSim and Voyafly. Open this voyafly.com and write and click on this. Open. And high-speed 4G, 5G data, no download or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, right? Select choose data type, unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited data. Choose a speed plan, light or plus, and I recommend plus. This very fast and speed internet, and select your days. I am select 30 days. Select amount eSim 5 or 3 on 20. I am select 1 and buy it now. Click on this. Open new page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Other discount ROAM tips $30. It's very good. This is very good. And click on Google Pay and buy SIM, or write this data and click on buy now and open new page and buy eSim and send your email QR code and scan this QR code and install eSim this your phone, and that's all. eSim is work. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.